Hello, working moms. I have here monstrous 100-piece puzzle. This one is by Mud Puppy. Ayan, clear ba siya yan? And then this one is designed in the USA. So let's take a look. This one is pre-owned. Ayan. So 100 pieces, i-assemble natin. Nagandahan kasi ako sa kanyang image. I mean the pictures. And then, yung kanyang puzzle piece is makapal siya. And then, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging result. Okay? So, let's go! Na-finish na natin ang puzzle. So, this one is a monsters 100-piece puzzle. And then, yung kanyang per piece, or I mean, yung kanyang quality is actually maganda siya because medyo makapal siya and then maganda siya sa kamay. No? So, madali din siyang i-grasp ng mga kids, no? while assembling the puzzle. And yung kanyang images, or I mean the picture, is though monster siya, pero it's fun, no? Napakaganda ng kanyang colors, and yung kanyang illustrations, maganda siya all in all. So, this one is from Mud Puppy. Comes with, so we have also, shop, no? Should you like to see other products of working moms, we have a Shopee account, and we have also Lazada, as well as we have also Facebook account, which is the Working Moms Marketing. You can see the links, no? Pwede nyo i-copy yung links nasa descriptions ng product. And then please do not forget to like our videos for more uploads, for more board games, puzzles, and books uploads. That's all. Thank you.